and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Truck owners and mining-dependent people hit streets, demand clear-cut rehabilitation scheme from government, threaten to boycott IFI, appeal to convene special Gram Sabhas in mining belt. Farmers from Kankumbi in Karnataka not happy with diversion of Madai water, claim project ruined their farms and farming business. Prudence exclusive report. Health Department scraps newborn baby screening and insulin pen schemes for diabetic patients. Parkar says schemes of no much use. Government to celebrate Panchayat Raj Golden Jubilee year. State coastal belt of state under scanner. ANC revives and readies its team to combat drugs and human trafficking. One apprehended for illegal possession of drugs. And Panchayat Yuva Krida or Khel Abhiyan is up and running after a gap of 1 year. Best way to spot raw talent, says Monica Dorado. Now the news in detail. Truck owners and mining-dependent people have hit the streets demanding a clear-cut rehabilitation scheme from the government. The demand for immediate resumption of mining also echoed at the meetings convened by the mining dependents in Savarde and Velge on Wednesday. Else, they have threatened to boycott IFI this year. Meanwhile, North Goa mining dependent people have appealed to convene special Gram Sabhas in the mining belt and resolve for immediate resumption of mining.
Mr. CM, how are you going to help the mining dependent people? Please tell us. This was an appeal from the All Goa Truck Owners Association. All Goa Truck Owners Association held its meeting in Savarde on Wednesday. They have decided to boycott IFI this year.
तांका दर महिन्यात कमी ते 50,000 तरी ताणे दिवचे. गव्हर्नमेंटान सरळ सांगचे की खयच्या पद्धतीन तुम्ही आमकां मदत करतले. आमी आशीर्वाद पळयता. परनेकार सरकार आता ते जायत्यो स्किमी काडटात, लाडली स्किमी काडटात, आनी कसली स्किमी काडटात. अरे बाबा पयसो खंयसून येतलो? होच रेव्हेन्यू तुमचे कडेन येता आनी तितून तुमी ह्यो स्किमी तयार करतात. आज इफी आसा, आता रोखडीच इफी जातली, इंटरनॅशनल इव्हेंट असा. या इफीक आम्ही सगळ्या पात्रांनी एक जाऊन बहिष्कार करूंक जाय.
North Goa mining dependent people held a meeting at Velge in Bicholi on Wednesday. They have appealed all panchayats in the mining belt to hold special Gram Sabhas and resolve to resume mining as soon as possible.
एकदाचे मायनिंग सुरू जावचे अशें आमी म्हणटा. ते सुरू जाल्या पुरो, पूण सुरू जाले म्हणून जो पर्यंत सगळे जे रेट्स ट्रकाचे, मशिनरीचे, बार्जीचे सगळे टोटल कामगारांचे यांचे रेट जो पर्यंत फायनल जायना तो पर्यंत मायनिंग चालू करूंक दिवचे ना हे आमी असोसिएशनांनी ठरयल्लें आसा.
Our reporters from Sange, Mayur Naik, and from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
Farmers from Kankumbi in Karnataka are not happy with the diversion of Madai water. The project has ruined their farms and farming business. Moreover, they claim water shortage problem. These claims by the farmers have contradicted the claims of the Karnataka government. The project work is in its final stage. Watch second and final part of Prudence Ground Zero report.
Prudent, along with environmentalists and the Water Resource Department officials, inspected the Ground Zero situation at Kankumbi on Tuesday. The project here is in the final stage. We spoke with some of the farmers here. Most of them were not ready to speak on camera. However, one amongst the locals spoke out. Farmers claim that the upcoming Kalsa Bandara project has ruined their farms.
तर काम चालू आता 4 वर्ष झालेलं आहे. त्यांचं काम चालू आहे. कारण कणकुंबी गावाला काहीच उपयोगाचं नाही आहे. त्याचा फायदाच काही नाही कणकुंबी गावाला. हे आमच्या शेती-बिती काय गेलेली आहे त्यांचं आम्हाला बेनिफिट दिलेलं नाही. मोजकं तोडकं फोडकंच काय देऊन आम्हाला दिलेलं आहे आणि काम चालू केलेलं आहे त्यांनी. तिथं पाण्याचा एक पान आम्हाला त्रास व्हायला लागला. खरं कर्नाटक गव्हर्नमेंट अजूनपर्यंत त्याचा दखल घेईना. घराणा जे तडे गेले होते ते तडे त्यांनी बेनिफिट दिलेले आहे.
This statement by the farmer has contradicted the Karnataka government's claim. Karnataka government says it needs Madai water as the population in the area is water starved. Environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar claims that Karnataka government has damaged the natural habitat and heritage monuments in the area.
हे कालव्याक लागून एकंदर ही जी परिस्थिती आसा दिसान दीस बिकट जाल्ली आसा. माऊलीचे देवूळ जे आसा हे पवित्र अशे तीर्थक्षेत्र आसा. त्या तीर्थक्षेत्राचेर ही जी मलप्रभा न्हंय आसली ती एक तिचे उदक जे आसा ते तीर्थ म्हणून लोक वापरताले. हे जे आयज हांव ज्या जाग्यार उबो आसा थंय एक मोठो घसघशान वचपी वदर आसलो आनी हो वदर निसर्गाचे एक मोठे वरदान असले. आयज तो वदर जो आसा कर्नाटकान उद्ध्वस्त केल्लो आसा.
Whatever might be Karnataka's claims, project at Kankumbi is on in full swing. The plan is being executed with a deadline to discharge water by early next year, while Goa government is battling before the Supreme Court and the tribunal to save Goa's lifeline. Our reporter from Kankumbi, Uday Parab.
Health Department has scrapped newborn baby screening and insulin pen scheme for diabetic patients. The schemes were introduced by the former Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. Lakshmikant Parsekar has claimed that the schemes were of no much use. However, government will now provide cartridge in place of insulin pens for the diabetic patients. The government will also celebrate Panchayat Raj Golden Jubilee year beginning from 24th of October.
Disposable diabetic पेनां दिताले. हांवें म्हटलें that has to be stopped. हांवूच म्हजें पेन जर हांव वापरतलो जाल्यार why it is to be disposable? कार्ट्रिजीस खरेदी करुया. तातूंत डिफरन्स तातूंत गव्हर्मेंट सेव करतलो. मागीर न्यू बॉर्न बेबीचे ब्लड टेस्ट करपाक धाडटाले. हय स्क्रिनींग जे करताले आनी जे स्क्रिनींग करून जे डिसऑर्डर 1 in 15,000 1 in 10,000 बेबीज मेळटा आनी जी डिसऑर्डर मेळूनय तेचेर कांय आमचे कडेन उपाय जायना. ते करून आनी ताचेर कोट्यांनी खर्च करून कांय अर्थ ना. दॅट वी हॅव स्टॉप्ड. आमी जर कॅडावरीक पद्दतीक गेले आनी क्रॉस मॅच लॅब जर घाली आनी म्हाका दिसता अपील केली जाल्यार डोनर्स मोठ्या प्रमाणावर येवं शकतात. आनी डोनर्स जर आयले न्ही जाल्यार हे जे डायलिसीस प्रकरण आसा जेचेर आमी 10 कोट वर्साक मोडटात आनी आयचें मरण फाल्यांचेर धुकलतात, that can be avoided. We could give a fresh life.
Panchayat Raj is completing 50 years this year. Panchayat Raj Minister Parsekar said that from 24th October, Goa will celebrate Panchayat Golden Jubilee year.
ज्या दिसा 50 वर्सां पूर्ण जातात म्हणजे 24 ऑक्टोबर 2012 त्या दिसाच्यान 24 ऑक्टोबर 2013 पर्यंत पंचायत राज्याचे सुवर्ण महोत्सवी वर्ष साजरे करपाचो निर्णय सरकारान घेतलो. 29 सदस्यांची टास्क फोर्स समिती नोटिफाय जाली, गठीत जाली आणि आज ह्या समितीची पहिली बसका सचिवालयान संपन्न जाली. वर्षभर कार्यक्रम साजरे करप आणि वर्षभरात कशा प्रकारचे कार्यक्रम आसचे हाची रूपरेषा येणाऱ्या काळात आम्ही ठरयतले.
Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Gadi, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.